You're planning the trip of a lifetime. Bags are packed, itinerary set, and excitement is through the roof. But what if something goes wrong? A flight gets canceled, your luggage disappears, or you face a medical emergency in a foreign country. This is where travel insurance comes in. But is it really worth it? What exactly does travel insurance cover? How much should you expect to pay? And is it really necessary for every trip? Stick around as we break down everything you need to know in this ultimate travel insurance guide. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more essential travel tips and advice. Let's get started. So, what is travel insurance? Simply put, it's a financial safety net designed to protect you from unexpected costs while traveling. From medical emergencies to trip cancellations, it ensures that an unexpected situation doesn't ruin your plans or your wallet. Many travelers assume that travel insurance is unnecessary, but here's the reality. If your trip is expensive, international, or involves non-refundable bookings, it's one of the smartest investments you can make. But do you actually need it? The answer depends on a few key factors, which we'll cover next. If you've ever had to use travel insurance before, share your experience in the comments. We'd love to hear your story. Not all travel insurance policies are the same. Here's a breakdown of the most common types of travel insurance coverage so you can choose the right one for your trip. 1. Trip cancellation and interruption. Insurance covers non-refundable costs if you have to cancel or cut your trip short due to illness, emergencies, or unforeseen events. 2. Emergency medical travel insurance pays for medical treatment if you get sick or injured while traveling abroad. This is especially important for international trips where your regular health insurance may not apply. 3. Baggage loss and delay insurance reimburses you for lost, stolen, or delayed baggage so you're not stuck without essentials. 4th, medical evacuation insurance covers transportation costs if you need to be flown to a hospital or back home for medical care. 5. Cancel for any reason CFAR insurance, an upgrade that allows you to cancel your trip for reasons not covered under standard policies. 6. Travel insurance for cruises. Specific policies designed for cruise travelers covering missed ports, onboard medical care, and trip interruptions. 7. Annual travel insurance plans. Great for frequent travelers, offering year-round coverage for multiple trips. With so many options, how do you choose the best travel insurance? Here are some key things to look for when picking a policy. 1. Coverage limits. Make sure the policy covers what you need, especially for medical emergencies, cancellations, and baggage loss. 2. Exclusions and restrictions. Read the fine print. Some policies don't cover pre-existing conditions, adventure activities, or pandemics. 3. Cost versus value. The cheapest policy isn't always the best. Compare the benefits to see if it's worth the price. 4th, customer reviews. Check feedback on claims processing and customer support because you don't want to struggle with paperwork during an emergency. 5. Provider reputation. Stick with top travel insurance providers that are known for reliable coverage and smooth claims processing. Even seasoned travelers make mistakes when buying travel insurance. Here are some common pitfalls to watch out for. 1. Waiting too long to buy insurance. For trip cancellation coverage, you need to buy your policy before an issue arises, not after. 2. Assuming your credit card covers everything. Many credit cards offer travel insurance benefits, but coverage is often limited. Always double-check the details. 3. Not declaring pre-existing conditions. If you have a medical condition and don't disclose it, your claim could be denied. 4. Skipping CFR coverage when needed. If you think there's a chance you might cancel for reasons outside standard coverage, cancel for any reason insurance can be worth the extra cost. 5. Ignoring adventure and extreme sports exclusions. Planning on skiing, scuba diving, or bungee jumping, make sure your policy covers high-risk activities. Have you ever made a mistake with travel insurance? Share your lessons learned in the comments so others can avoid the same issues. The cost of travel insurance varies based on several factors, including trip cost, destination, and coverage level. Here's a general breakdown. Basic coverage. Around 4 to 6% of your total trip cost, covering cancellations, delays, and basic medical needs. Comprehensive coverage. Typically 7 to 10% of your trip cost, adding extra protection like medical evacuation and CFAR coverage. Annual plans. For frequent travelers, annual policies can range from $300 to $700 per year, depending on the level of coverage. Travel insurance might not be the most exciting part of trip planning, but it's one of the most important. A little preparation now can save you thousands of dollars and major stress later. Before you book your next trip, take a moment to compare travel insurance options and choose the right one for your needs. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to our channel for more travel tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on important travel advice. Let us know in the comments. Do you always buy travel insurance or do you take the risk? We'd love to hear your thoughts.